Díomh, Cúsatáshiv, is Michelle Rachel, and I'm going to chat with you about writing your own songs in the traditional style. So the story in our song is about the magpie. There are lots of superstitions and folklore surrounding this bird. He can be a little bit naughty too. We also borrowed a traditional rhyme to use in our song, a rhyme that I learned as a child. The magpie seems to like shiny, sparkly objects too, which some say he steals, or maybe he just borrows them. Surely he can't be that bad. We write about that in our song too. One thing I've always noticed about magpies, and maybe you will check this out the next time you see one. When you see one, there always seems to be more, not too far away. Folklore stories false or real, those shiny objects some say he'll steal. 5 for silver, 6 for gold. Pierre the captain to is he bold.
So when you guys were setting yourselves the task of coming up with a song, how did you come up with the idea, the story, the scale around your song? How did you manage that?
First we brainstormed ideas on ideas for the song, and then we decided that we should write a song on topics that we've learned about or heard about before.
Great.
We picked a topic about Funky the dolphin. We love him so much and we all know him really well, but sadly he's gone missing now and we want to get him back, so that's why we chose the title. So the air we chose is Begin Akamora.
Okay.
And we chose 3 traditional airs that we were familiar with. O Rachel Uí Fhaoláin, Booker Gwilla, and Begin Akamora.
Okay.
So then we had a vote, and Begin Akamora got the most votes.
Okay.
So we decided to go with Begin Akamora.
Where, oh, where is Funky gone? Calling to come hear our song. Where, oh, where is Funky gone? In a Monday, cold will shade.
Where, oh, where is Funky